Top 5 AI tools in 2024. Number 5. Data Robot. This tool automates the process of building and deploying machine learning models. It's suitable for data scientists and analysts, providing a platform for developing predictive models without requiring extensive programming knowledge. Number 4. Jasper. An AI writing assistant that helps generate content quickly. It's designed to assist with a variety of writing tasks, from marketing copy to blog posts, by providing suggestions and improving the writing process. Number 3. TensorFlow. An open-source machine learning framework that is widely used for research and production. TensorFlow offers a comprehensive ecosystem of tools, libraries, and community resources that facilitate the development of ML-powered applications. Number 2. ChatGPT. Known for its conversational capabilities, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for creating chatbots that can simulate human-like interactions, making it a valuable asset for customer service and engagement. Number 1. Synthesia. A browser-based AI software that creates engaging videos from plain text. It's particularly popular among marketers and product teams for its ease of use and the ability to customize videos with a range of pre-designed templates. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.